Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome on your MacBook Air M5. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. So open the Wi-Fi menu on your toolbar, make sure that you are connected to some network that has good enough internet connection, and then open your Safari web browser. Here we're gonna have to search for Chrome, maybe Chrome download, and then open the google.com website. It's google.com/Chrome, and click download Chrome here. This will begin the installation of the downloading of the DMG file. Now we're gonna have to wait until the file is fully downloaded and then run it. Once you open this file, you will see the following window. Here you just have to drag and drop Google Chrome application to your applications folder. This will begin the installation process, which will take about 5 seconds, as it says right here. Once the Google Chrome is installed, open applications, and here you'll find your Google Chrome web browser. And from now on, you can basically start using it. Click open, then choose whether you want to sign in. Choose your default search engine. Click set as default, and now we can use Google Chrome web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.